This is a wireless portable cleaning helper specifically designed for families. It adopts advanced hydroxyl water ion purification technology, which can effectively remove pesticide residues, hormones, and bacteria on the surface of food materials, while retaining the nutritional components of food materials and restoring the fresh taste of food. It has a 2-speed purification mode to easily deal with the purification needs of different foods. Whether it is vegetables, fruits, grains, or meat, seafood, tableware and baby products, it can be done with one click. Its wireless design allows you to get rid of the bondage of power cords and enjoy clean food materials anytime, anywhere. The IPX7 waterproof function and low voltage protection ensure safe use, and it can be used with confidence even in the kitchen sink. The wall-mounted base design not only saves space, but also makes the kitchen look neater and more beautiful. In addition, this product also has a variety of cartoon styles to give you a variety of choices.